If something goes wrong on your next flight, you will have seconds to react. And most passengers won't be ready because they ignore a few critical details every time they board. Today, I'm breaking down the life-saving things almost no one pays attention to, but absolutely should. Air marshals play a serious role in ensuring passenger safety on flights, often blending in with regular passengers to maintain a low profile. Usually, they are seated strategically throughout the cabin, often in areas that allow them to monitor the surroundings effectively while remaining inconspicuous. Their behavior during flights is generally calm and unobtrusive, as they observe and assess the situation without drawing attention to themselves. This confidentiality is vital. By keeping their identity hidden, air marshals can effectively deter potential threats and respond swiftly if necessary. Do you think you can spot who the air marshal is? Airplane oxygen masks are essential safety devices designed to provide passengers with breathable air during emergencies, and they often dispel common misconceptions about oxygen tanks. Unlike traditional tanks, these masks utilize a chemical reaction to generate oxygen on demand. When activated, a mixture of sodium chlorate and other compounds undergoes a reaction that produces oxygen, ensuring a continuous supply for passengers. This technology is crucial as it allows for lightweight and compact systems that can be easily deployed. Typically, the oxygen supply lasts around 12 to 15 minutes, which is enough for passengers to secure their masks and descend to a safer altitude where breathable air is available. Understanding this technology enhances awareness of safety measures in aviation. A lot of passengers may be surprised to learn that some Boeing jets still being used today go back to the 1970s, showcasing the durability and longevity of these aircraft. To check the age of a specific plane, you can look up its tail number on aviation databases or websites that track aircraft history, revealing details about its manufacturing date and service record. While older planes are often well-maintained and updated with modern technology, flying on them can raise concerns about safety and comfort. Passengers should be aware that older aircraft may lack some of the latest features found in newer models, but they are still subject to rigorous safety inspections and regulations to ensure a secure flying experience. No need to worry. Despite their name, airplane black boxes are actually bright orange to aid in recovery efforts after an accident. Their primary purpose is to record critical flight data and cockpit conversations, providing invaluable information for accident investigations. These devices are designed with great durability, capable of withstanding extreme conditions, including high-impact crashes and intense heat, ensuring they survive even the most catastrophic events. Each black box contains two types of recorders: the Flight Data Recorder, FDR, which captures various flight parameters such as altitude and speed, and the Cockpit Voice Recorder, CVR, which records conversations and sounds in the cockpit. Together, these components play a crucial role in enhancing aviation safety by helping to identify causes of incidents. The small metal hooks located above airplane wings serve a critical function in emergency escape systems. These hooks are designed to secure life rafts and other emergency equipment, ensuring they are readily available when needed. In case of a water landing, these hooks play a big role by facilitating the deployment of life rafts, allowing passengers and crew to evacuate safely. During emergencies, the presence of these hooks can greatly increase survival chances as they provide a reliable means of accessing flotation devices quickly. Knowing their importance underscores the meticulous design of aircraft safety features, which are intended to protect lives and ensure a swift response in critical situations. The white spiral painted on jet engines serves as a crucial safety warning for ground crew and personnel working near aircraft. This visual cue indicates the engine's suction zone, which is an area where the powerful airflow can pose significant danger. Ground crew must know that approaching this zone can lead to serious injuries, as the engine's suction can pull objects or individuals toward it. The spiral acts as a reminder to maintain a safe distance and exercise caution around operating engines. Emphasizing safety awareness in these areas is vital, as it helps prevent accidents and ensures the well-being of all personnel involved in aircraft operations, reinforcing the importance of adhering to safety protocols. Airplane horns serve a specific purpose on the ground, primarily as safety signals, rather than a means of communication between pilots. These horns emit a distinctive sound that alerts maintenance crews and ground personnel to the aircraft's status, and movements. For instance, the horn may indicate that the aircraft is about to taxi or that it requires immediate attention. The sound acts as a crucial warning system, ensuring that everyone in the vicinity is aware of the aircraft's actions and can respond accordingly. During ground operations, these signals are vital for maintaining safety, preventing accidents, and facilitating smooth coordination among ground crews, ultimately enhancing the overall efficiency of airport operations. Midway through your planning, it is also smart to think about what happens after landing. One overlooked stress point is ground transportation. Long taxi lines, language barriers, and surge pricing can undo a smooth airport experience. This is why many experienced travelers book airport transfers in advance at affordable prices with Kiwi Taxi. If you're finding this information to be helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. The small grooves above overhead bins in airplanes serve an essential purpose, providing handrails that flight attendants can use during turbulence. These handrails offer a secure grip, allowing crew members to maintain their balance while navigating the cabin when the aircraft experiences unexpected movements. This feature significantly enhances safety for flight attendants, enabling them to move efficiently and safely while attending to passengers during turbulent conditions. By providing a stable point of support, these grooves help prevent injuries and ensure that crew members can perform their duties effectively. Ultimately, this design element contributes to overall cabin safety, allowing for a more secure environment for both crew and passengers during flights. Certain airplane seats come with hidden perks that can significantly enhance passenger comfort during flights. For instance, some seats are designed with extra shoulder space, allowing for a more relaxed seating experience, especially on long journeys. Additionally, aisle seats often feature a hidden button that enables passengers to lift the armrest, providing more room to stretch out or make it easier to get in and out of the seat. Furthermore, variations in seat layouts across different aircraft can lead to additional comfort, such as more legroom or wider seats in specific rows. Being aware of these hidden features can help travelers choose the best seats for their needs, ensuring a more enjoyable flying experience. LED cabin lights in advanced aircraft serve a major function by mimicking natural light patterns, which can significantly enhance the flying experience. These lights are designed to simulate the gradual changes in daylight, helping to regulate passengers' circadian rhythms. This feature is particularly beneficial for travelers adjusting to different time zones because it aids in minimizing jet lag and promoting a smoother transition to new schedules. Also, the adjustable intensity and color of LED lights can create a more comfortable atmosphere during long flights, reducing eye strain and enhancing overall passenger comfort. By thoughtfully incorporating these lighting systems, airlines can improve the well-being of their passengers, making air travel more pleasant and restful. Cargo aircraft, such as the Boeing 747 freighter, boast unique features made for efficient loading and transport of goods. One standout feature of the 747 freighter is its nose, which can be raised to allow for easy loading of oversized cargo, facilitating the movement of large items directly into the fuselage. Another remarkable cargo aircraft is the Antonov An-225, renowned for its impressive cargo capabilities, including the ability to carry exceptionally heavy and bulky loads, making it the largest cargo plane in the world. Unlike passenger aircraft, cargo planes are designed with a focus on maximizing cargo space and weight capacity, often sacrificing passenger amenities for enhanced efficiency and functionality in transporting goods across the globe. Airplane tires are engineered with advanced technology to ensure optimal performance and safety during takeoff and landing. When an aircraft lands, its tires can hit the runway at speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour, requiring them to withstand significant forces. To handle these demands, airplane tires are inflated to high pressures, typically around 200 to 300 pounds per square inch, and are constructed from durable materials like synthetic rubber and reinforced with steel or Kevlar for added strength. Safety features are also integrated into their design, such as heat-resistant compounds and multiple plies that help prevent tire bursts during operation. These innovations ensure that airplane tires perform reliably, contributing to the overall safety of air travel. Innovative engineering proposals for passenger safety have sparked intriguing concepts, such as the idea of a detachable passenger cabin. This design envisions a cabin that can be separated from the aircraft in emergencies, allowing it to descend safely with parachutes, providing a potential lifeline for passengers. The use of parachutes for safe descents could revolutionize emergency evacuations, offering a new layer of protection during critical situations. However, several challenges keep such proposals grounded, including the complexities of ensuring structural integrity during separation, the logistics of deploying parachutes effectively, and the need for extensive testing to guarantee passenger safety. Additionally, regulatory hurdles and the high costs of implementation pose significant barriers to bringing these innovative ideas to fruition. When planning a flight, choosing morning flights can make your experience way better, as these flights are way less prone to delays and cancellations. Also, sitting toward the back of the plane can offer several advantages, including quicker boarding and deplaning, as well as a higher likelihood of having an empty seat next to you, providing extra comfort. Moreover, passengers should consider requesting special meals in advance, especially if they have dietary restrictions or preferences. Airlines typically accommodate these requests, ensuring that you receive a meal that meets your needs. By following these practical tips, travelers can improve their overall flying experience, making air travel more enjoyable and stress-free. In this video, we explored many hidden features of airplanes, from the unique design of oxygen masks to the safety benefits of air marshals and the innovative technology behind cabin lighting. We also shared practical travel tips, such as choosing morning flights, sitting toward the back of the plane, and requesting special meals in advance. Being informed as a traveler is crucial, as it enhances your flying experience and ensures your safety and comfort. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travelers. Your engagement helps us continue providing insightful content that makes air travel more enjoyable for everyone.